Jotelo kwayo piny owacho mondo kony ting'o malo tuke mag idho gode kata mountain run. Mae giwacho ni en achiel kuom yore mag nyayo weche mag limbe pacho ka giwacho ni mano en achiel kuom yore bende mag tieko timbe mag tiyo gi yedhe ma medo teko e ng'wech. Ne gilose gweng' ma Kimatkei, sub-county ma Tinderet, bang' kane bagi tuke mag AK Nandi, Barangetuny Memorial Mountain Race. Jotelo go bende omedo wacho ni tuke go biro miyo Kenya rieny mathoth e piny mangima.
To make this an international event, an event that is going to be done annually in this part of the country. Mountain Run is a new theme in this country. It is common in European countries, countries of Southeast Asia, and many parts of the world.
We have got to promote this in a very systematic way, so that we look at all the things that are there, and since we have already started this, and Meru County also started theirs. You can see it is now going to expand.
This is one area where conservation of forests is going to be critical, being a hilly area and also being an area that is surrounded by forest. Two, even as we use sports to promote good environmental management, we also want to urge our athletes and all our sportsmen in various sports disciplines that it is going to be extremely very important that they run away from these issues of doping.
Each of these events have a theme. Like today, the theme here is about climate change, running clean. We want to ensure that we use such events to sensitize the public on issues around, dealing with doping, ensuring that